Hey guys, so in this video we'll be unboxing the MI Smart Air Purifier 4 Lite. As you can see, we get a wall adapter with this. Let's get this out of the box. So you can see here we have the instruction manuals. On the right side we have the mode button and on the left side we have the power button. This yellow film is to let the users know that we have to remove the packaging of the air filter before we turn it on. As you can see, there are two buttons on either sides, so you can press on that to lift the top unit off. Inside you can find the air filter itself. So we'll just remove the outer packaging of the air filter and we'll put it back inside. So I've connected it to the power now. This is the manual mode. Now you can hear it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now you can actually feel the wind coming out. Okay. Let me put it back to auto mode. You can hear the sound, I guess. This is night mode. So in night mode you can't hear it as much, but it's still working. And manual mode makes a lot of sound. So that's a quick video on the unboxing of MI Air Purifier 4 Lite. Really hope you guys found it useful. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in another video.